You know that feeling you get when it seems like your cat knows exactly what you're about to do, almost before you do? Like, how are they always waiting at the door the second you think about grabbing your keys? Well, I'm here to tell you, you are not imagining it. Today, we're going to decode the secret life of your cat and figure out why they are always one step ahead of you.
It really does feel like they have some kind of secret power, right? This almost psychic ability to predict our entire routine down to the very minute.
So, let's just ask it. Is your cat actually a mind reader? I mean, how else would they know you're about to get up for a snack before you've even shifted on the couch? Well, believe it or not, the real answer is way more fascinating than any psychic power.
Okay, so the secret isn't telepathy. It's hyper-observation. Your cat is an absolute master at reading what are called micro-movements. These are all the tiny subconscious things you do before you do something. The way your weight shifts in a chair, that specific little thump your phone makes when you put it down. To you, it's nothing, but to your cat, it's a full-blown countdown to your next move.
And this goes so deep. Cats are geniuses at pattern recognition. They're constantly doing something scientists call social learning. They're building this incredibly detailed mental map of your entire day just by watching you. Why? Because to them, you're the leader of the colony. They're not just roommates. They're literally syncing their whole life to yours.
And all of this leads to a pretty mind-blowing revelation, one that's going to change everything you thought you knew about your role in your cat's life. It's time for a totally new perspective.
Okay, here's the big one. From the brilliant animal behaviorist John Bradshaw, your cat does not see you as its owner. It doesn't even see you as a different species. Your cat views you as a really big, really clumsy cat. That's right, you're not their master. You're just family. A very large and kind of uncoordinated family member. And because you're family, they're genuinely worried about you. They watch you. They see that you never stalk anything, you can't pounce, you don't hunt for your own food. So they come to a very logical conclusion. You have absolutely terrible survival skills. And they've decided it's their job to raise you right.
So, welcome to the Feline Survival School. Seriously. So many of those weird, confusing behaviors we see are actually carefully structured lessons your cat is trying to teach you, their frankly incompetent roommate. So let's start with Lesson 1, the hunting tutorial. When your cat brings you a toy mouse or, something a little more real, that's not just a cute gift. They are doing what a mother cat does for her kitten because they honestly believe you don't know how to hunt. And then when they drop it and stare at you, that's them waiting for you to practice your kill. They are literally giving you homework.
This is also why they supervise you in the kitchen. They follow you in to watch your secret hunting technique, but what they see is just baffling. You just open a loud, cold box and pull food out. There's no hunt, no stalk, no kill. All this does is confirm their suspicion that you are a truly terrible hunter.
And what about the bathroom escort? I mean, we all know this one. For us, it's a private moment. But for your cat, a small, enclosed room with only one way out is a potential death trap. They're not being nosy. They're following you in to be your lookout, to guard you, because they just don't trust you to spot a predator on your own.
Oh, and the lessons don't stop there. You know that little baby talk meow? Adult cats almost never meow at each other. They do it for us because they've figured out we're basically deaf to their normal adult body language. And when they tap your face in the middle of the night, that's a wellness check. They are literally making sure you're still breathing. They're checking that their poor, helpless human hasn't, died in their sleep.
But maybe the most profound, most incredible thing they do for us is breaking their own biological clock. And this isn't just a quirky habit. This is what you could call the ultimate sacrifice. To really get this, we need a quick biology lesson. Cats are what's known as crepuscular. All that means is that they are biologically hardwired deep in their DNA to be most active at dawn and dusk. Those are the prime hunting times for their ancestors. Now think about your schedule. It's diurnal, right? Active during the day. So their natural cycle is in complete opposition to ours. By all rights, your cat should be zooming around while you're trying to sleep and then passed out when you're watching TV. And yet, they don't. A cat that's bonded with you will literally override millions of years of evolution, just for you. They will slowly, gradually shift their entire sleep and wake cycle to match yours, just so they can be in your world on your time. It's just incredible. So what does this all add up to? When we put all these pieces together, the teaching, the guarding, the syncing, what does it really tell us about their devotion?
It tells us that, for a cat, routine is the ultimate love language. A predictable life, built around your patterns and your schedule, is how they feel fundamentally safe. It's the only way they can finally truly let their guard down. And that gets to the deep psychological role you play in their life. You are their secure base. That's a real term. You are the trusted individual who provides such a deep sense of safety that they can finally relax that hypervigilance that their wild instincts are screaming at them to maintain.
So think about it this way. When they sync their life to yours, they're doing something so much deeper than just changing their nap time. They're choosing to sync their entire nervous system with yours. Every one of these behaviors, from the hunting lessons to the bathroom guarding, is just another way of showing profound trust, a deep family bond, and real devotion.
So I'll leave you with a final thought to mull over. Now that you know you're not an owner, but a student, what's the one survival lesson your cat is constantly trying to teach you? Take a closer look, because they are telling you they care in ways we're really only just beginning to understand.